All right. Welcome again to B Panama 32 box break. Another box break that I'm gonna do. Um, I think is today is actually the 17th of May 2012. So this is the box that's left unopened from the three boxes that I bought. So hopefully we can get something good from this. So let's roll. So inside this box, in Panini Preferred, there are actually total of four cards. Um, One is actually not inside the pack or straight away is there. So the other three is actually inside the packs. So let's see what do we get from one that's not inside the pack. Ready? There you go. Ta-da! Okay, is Panini Preferred inducted is actually print 99 is number 21 out of 99. So there you go. And who they are, let's have a look. There you go. Ready? There you go. It's actually Kevin McHale, Pippen, Malone, Mullin, Stockton, James Worry, Dumas, and I think that was it. Should be Alex English. So this is Panini Preferred inducted cards, print 21 out of 99. So this is the back of the card. If you want to have a look. Alright. So it's inducted card. Okay, let's move on to the first pack on my left. Here you go. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is a prism card. Panini Choice Award is actually a Dan Izel. Gold print to 10. So print to 10. The horse Dan Izel. So it's print number 8. Sorry, it's number 8 out of 10. So that's the first card. But let's move to the middle one. Let's try the middle one, and I think this is another prism card. If you can feel this, probably this is one of the rare ones. Okay, this is not a prism card. It's actually Chris Ford autograph. It's a blue award card. It's a Chris Ford printed to 50. It's number 41. Chris Ford. There you go. Right. Last but not least, on the right side of my packs, this will be the last one. Seems like a normal packs. Okay. Okay, this is a common card of Luke Babbitt. Alright. It's number 299. Card number 14. There you go. Card number 14. 99. Alright. That's all. Those are the three cards that I got from this box break. And hope to see you guys soon again for the next one. Take care. Bye.